At Carey Academy are trading in their textbooks for whiteboards and bowling balls. The unconventional teaching method is called modeling, and one teacher says the method's making the grade.
A mass of 1.5 grams.
You won't see a teacher rattling off physics formulas at the head of the class here. Instead, these Carey Academy students learn from each other.
So what's our math?
They work in groups and use these whiteboards to figure out things like how long it would take a bottle dropped from a plane to fall to the ground.
I'm a more visual person, so actually seeing something helps me understand a lot better instead of having someone say, this happens because of this reason.
You guys ready?
The students are learning through modeling.
From that, you just plug that back in.
Everybody develops laws of physics just from their everyday life.
And Dr. Matt Greenwolf says relating physics to real life gets through to students more than just memorizing formulas.
I don't lecture at all. Instead, I create experiences for the students either in the lab or puzzles and problems for them to solve. And it's up to them to try to figure that out.
Hands-on experiments are just part of the modeling teaching method. So, for example, the students may do an experiment with a bowling ball, learning something about force. And then they'll take that experience and then bring it back to the classroom.
We took these equations, which we've derived from graphs earlier.
We're really learning it for ourselves.
Senior Nikki Randall says sometimes another student's input can really drive a point home.
We were talking about parallel circuits actually this morning and talking about how currents that run in the same direction attract. And it's kind of like how two rivers kind of merge together, and one of my classmates actually came up with that.
And Greenwolf says modeling is paying off. Advanced placement exam scores of his students prior to modeling compared with after are up from 3s to the highest score of 5s in some cases.
And NC State offers a summer workshop for North Carolina teachers interested in modeling. It is a 3-week course offered in July on campus. They are really smart students there. Well,